Hello everyone, I am Dr. Shankar Bhanushali from Apollo Hospitals, Navi Mumbai, and today we'll be discussing certain general instructions which you need to follow during COVID-19 times. We know that you are all going through difficult times in COVID-19 pandemic. We would like to give you some advice related to your liver disease and COVID-19 to help you cope better. Since you are a patient of liver cirrhosis, we would advise you to keep three machines: the blood pressure measuring machine, the pulse oximetry machine, and weighing machine at home. With the help of the BP machine, you can keep watch on your blood pressure. With pulse oximetry, you can record your pulse and oxygen saturation on regular basis, and weighing machine you can take your weight daily. While treating a patient of liver cirrhosis who may have swelling all over the body because of fluid retention, daily weight measurement is very important. It helps us to guide the treatment and to adjust doses of the medicine. These instruments are easily available with the chemist. This will help us to monitor your vital parameters so that when we are doing video consultation, all these vital parameters are handy. In any case, if you are unable to meet us in the hospital because of any reason, we will be in touch with you through video consultation as and when deemed necessary. We would also request you to get your blood tests done on regular basis as advised by your doctor, because your treatment depends on your lab reports. Because in liver cirrhosis patient, there can be swelling over the legs, there can be excess fluid retention, there can be ascites, that is fluid inside your abdomen. And for that we give medicines which can cause imbalance of electrolytes, that is sodium potassium, and also serum creatinine level, that is report for the kidney. So when you do your test on regular basis, it helps us to guide the treatment. Also, we need to have a watch on your liver parameters. So that's why doing a blood test on regular basis or advised by a doctor is very important. You should never get hesitated to visit hospital or laboratory in fear of getting COVID-19 infection. You may always prefer to select time such like afternoon or in early morning when there is less crowd, or else you can always choose an option of home collection, that is a lab technician will come at home and collect your blood sample to avoid exposure. Take all general precautions to prevent from COVID-19 infection or exposure. Whenever you step out from the home, you should always wear face mask which is well fitting to your nose and mouth. Always maintain social distancing as advised. Should avoid visiting crowded places. And if you have a choice or option of working from home, always prefer to work from home. Always have the habit to sanitize your hand frequently with sanitizer which are alcohol based, or wash your hand frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. As discussed, the doctor may ask you to get certain scans like ultrasound or CT scan at various intervals. In a patient of liver cirrhosis, there can be chances of cancers like HCC. We call it as hepatocellular carcinoma. it is very important to pick up this cancer early. So, you should get your ultrasound done on time as advised by your doctor. Do not hesitate because of COVID-19 infection to visit hospital or diagnostic center to get your ultrasound done. You can always choose appointment where the rush or crowd is minimum at that time to reduce social contact. In COVID-19 times, there can be shortage of medicines. So we would advise you to stock up medicines at least for a period of 3 months. So there should be no day where you have to skip medicines because of non-availability. So if you are unable to get those medicines from the chemist or hospital pharmacy, you should get in touch with your doctor so that they can help you to contact manufacturer so that you are never left without medicines. Thank you.